What a fun-filled first day we are having traveling back to Maker Fun Factory. We have been talking today about how God made you. We are all specially made, and we're going to play a couple games that help show us just how special God made us. So the first game that we're going to play is called You Can. And so here are some things that you're going to need for the game. You're going to need yourself and a few other people to play. Then you're going to need 6 empty cans or cups. And the cans could be coffee cans, tin cans, soup cans, whatever you can find. And if you don't have empty cans, you can use cups. You also need a ball of some sort, and then you'll need pool noodles or rope or tape or any natural boundary available to create boundaries for a 15-foot long play area for the game. There's our supplies. Now to play You Can, you're gonna start in your play area and you're gonna use your cans or your cups to build a pyramid. And then you're gonna, make the pyramid, and then you're gonna have one person be it. The person who is it is gonna try to roll or throw the ball at the stack of cans to try to knock them over. Once the cans are successfully knocked down, the person who is it will then try to run and go tag the people who are gonna then try to rebuild the pyramid as fast as they can. And if the person tags you, you have to freeze and you can't rebuild anymore. And you can't help rebuild the stack until the next round. A round officially ends when either the stack is successfully rebuilt or everyone gets tagged. And the person who will be it for the next round is the person who started rebuilding the pyramid first. And that's how you play the first game. Pretty easy, right? And so me and my siblings are now going to show you how we played it. Okay, well, we lost. Round, I would be the first, or I would toss the ball because I started rebuilding first, but this was our representation. Have fun. All right, our next game is called Simon Says. Sound familiar? If you've ever played Simon Says, we're playing it exactly as you would know it, except every time you say Simon Says, the activities are going to get harder and harder as each round goes. So here's my siblings and I playing Simon Says. Simon Says, put your tongue out. Simon Says, Simon Says, jump up and down. So like, stop jumping. I got you. You're out. All right. Simon Says stop jumping. Simon Says pat your stomach and rub your, or pat your head and rub your tummy. Stop. Simon Says touch your toes. Simon Says go, go. Simon Says do that. Simon Says go, 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 go. Simon Says run a place. Simon Says run around. Okay, Emma wins. She's too good for me. That's how you play Simon Says. All right, great job playing the games, guys. You guys did amazing. Was it fun? All right, I have a few questions for you to think about at home after you have completed the games. Why was it fun changing from being it to not it? What are some other differences that God gave us that weren't called out in the game? You know, we're all different. We have different gifts and different talents and different skills that we can all do. So what are some other differences that God gave us that we didn't really see in the game? And as we played each of the games, did you notice any differences in how people played the game? Because games can be played in a multitude of different ways. That's another way how we're different, is how we perceive the way we're supposed to play the games. Sometimes, when we don't understand why someone is different from us, we let it turn into a reason to be mean or even make fun of someone else. But God meant to make each of us different. God made you. Wow, God, to be you and for me to be me. And God loves all that He has made. Don't forget that you are different and that is special.